If you're into packaging design, Pacdora might just be the all-in-one tool you didn't know you needed. And before we start, let me tell you, I'll be sharing a promo code at the end of this video that will get you a discount on their pricing plans, so make sure you watch this video till the end. In today's review, I'll walk you through my experience using it, highlight the features that stood out, and share whether it's worth adding to your design workflow. Right from the moment you land on their website, Pacdora feels like a platform built for designers who value speed, versatility, and creative freedom. You start by signing up, super quick, either through Google, Facebook, or your email, and then you're taken straight to your workspace. Everything is neatly organized here. Mockups, 3D designs, Dielines, AI backgrounds. It's like having multiple design tools packed into one clean dashboard. Let's talk about mockup creation because this is where Pacdora really shines. They have a huge library of ready-to-use mockups, all neatly categorized with subcategories for specific box types, bottles, pouches, and more. Can't find what you need? Just type it in the search bar and it's probably there. Once you pick a mockup, the interface loads a 360-degree view where you can rotate, zoom, and even animate the opening and closing of the packaging. Upload your own design or use their built-in tools to add shapes, colors, patterns, and even AI-generated elements. I was impressed by how easy it was to switch between viewing the design flat, in 3D, and in different camera angles without ever leaving the workspace. You can also save multiple views, change backgrounds with gradients or custom images, and even generate AI backgrounds that fit your design's vibe, perfect for client presentations. Pacdora doesn't stop at mockups. It has a powerful 3D modeling section that feels like a mini cinema for your packaging ideas. Here, you can import your mockup, adjust lighting, add props like spheres, cubes, or pre-rendered elements, and place your product in different scenes. The lighting presets alone, ranging from daylight to moody studio vibes, give your packaging an instant professional polish. The export quality is exceptional, going all the way up to 8K images or high-resolution videos in MP4 or MOV formats. Plus, you can grab HTML embed codes to showcase interactive mockups directly on a website, something you usually need a developer for. For those who work with printers, Pacdora's Dieline generator is a lifesaver. Pick a template from their library, customize the dimensions in millimeters or inches, tweak the materials, and export in AI, PDF, or PNG formats. This means you can create a print-ready layup without juggling between Illustrator, Photoshop, and random online tools. And for moments when you need inspiration, the AI design generator can take a prompt and instantly style your mockup in creative ways. Think minimalist patterns, bold graphics, or seasonal themes. Exporting your final work is simple yet flexible. Whether it's a 2K JPEG for a quick portfolio update, an 8K PNG for a billboard presentation, or a 1080p video for social media ads, Pacdora makes it a couple of clicks away. And if you need to share designs with clients or team members, the built-in share link saves you from dealing with giant email attachments. Now, let's talk pricing. Pacdora offers monthly and yearly plans, with the yearly option giving you a nice 43% discount. The Lite plan starts at $14 per month, the Pro at $29 per month, and the Business plan at $99 per month, each with increasing AI credits, higher resolution exports, and more advanced features. From my experience, the Pro plan feels like the sweet spot for most designers, but if you're running a design agency, the Business plan's extra features are worth it. And here's the part I promised. Once you've chosen the plan that suits your needs, click on Buy Now, and on the checkout page, look for the promotion code option on the left. Click on it, type in the code TECH, and instantly get a 20% discount. It's that simple. Also, if you are still doubtful about purchasing Pacdora, you can always watch my 14-minute detailed Pacdora tutorial, where I have shown you each and every feature in detail. I'll leave the link to that video in the description for easy access. So, is Pacdora worth it? If you're serious about packaging design and want a single platform that can handle mockups, 3D renders, Dielines, AI generation, and professional-grade exports, I'd say absolutely. It replaces a messy multi-tool workflow with something streamlined and fast, and the creative possibilities are endless. Whether you're a freelancer looking to wow clients or part of a team that needs quick, consistent design output, Pacdora delivers. I've personally been impressed not just by the feature set, but by how intuitive it feels even for someone using it for the first time. Happy designing!